So today, this is going to be my first video on this channel where I will be walking through all kinds of things on Arch Linux. And today we are going to start off by installing and configuring ZSH for my system. I am on Arch Linux, I'm using GNOME, and I am running this on Xorg because OBS does not work with Wayland unless you have some very specific plugins, and I am too lazy to work with those plugins. So we're going to start off in our terminal where we will type in our basic command to download software. We'll pull the package ZSH and we'll actually start configuring it. So you can start with this, and it's your configuration menu essentially. So you start configuring everything. Make sure you have everything that you need, that you want. And so I'm just going to shut up and do this. Alright, and now we've got ZSH running on our system. We've got to make it the default. So this is actually the command you'll use, and it just changes the shell to wherever you pick it. And you got to enter your password, and all is good. So this was my first video. I know I'm not going to gain subscribers very fast, but any subscribers I do gain, just ask any question you would like in the comments, and I will try to get to them, and I will try to make sure that I answer your questions honestly, and I will try to make sure that I answer your questions in a way that helps you, so that you also can learn more about Linux with me.